Hi peeps, right. This is a very crude explanation of how the LM3914 battery monitor circuit works. You have your battery, which is represented here by a reservoir of water, and it's feeding the 3914, which is set at 2 levels. All these others are blanked off. Here we have what will represent the high lead, a little water wheel which you can see going round in a perspex bowl or something, and you've got a low LED. Now while we've got water flowing, it's keeping pressure on the plate, which is keeping the valve shut that fills the battery or the reservoir with water, or electric in the case of the battery. Now it goes down below the high lead, so that stops turning. So we know that the battery is below high but above low, because this one's still going, still keeping the plate down. When we reach the bottom, or near the bottom, this one will stop turning, which means that it indicates that we're at the low lead point. No water flows, the springs push the plate up, the plate goes up, it puts in the hole over the end of the pipe, and the battery starts to fill up. That is the very, very basics of the LM3914. Now, if you like, I could show you this. And a lot of you people who aren't into electronics have just gone, ah! Really, there's more drawing and writing here than there is actual what's going on. You've got 2 potentiometers to set the low point and the high point. Now our high and low points are 12.5, would be 12.6 with discrepancies, and 10.5, which would be 10.6 with discrepancies. And what I mean by discrepancies is there will be different values for the LEDs, different values for the inner workings of the IC, all within spec, but there will be that variation. And the values of the pots are 10%, I think, or 5%, I can't remember. And the same with the resistors. Now, they've drawn a switch in here for linking between dot display, where you go one on, all the others are off, and then you go one on, all the others are off, one on, and all the others are off. And bar, which means you go on, so that you end up with a bar of light. Okay, what I will do is I'll leave this circuit on camera so that people can know better still. I'll double check the link, and I'll put the link below this video as to where to go. Then you can have it on the screen for as long as you like, or even print it out. Okay, so there's the complicated for the non-electronic people, and there's the simplistic. But again, I'm not demeaning anybody's intelligence, okay? I mean, I understand what I've drawn because I've got no intelligence, so there you go. But for the intelligent ones, I'll make sure you got access, you know, you got the link to go for this circuit as well. Okay peeps,